Welcome to Advance, where education intersects with real-world challenges, simplifying collaborative learning. Our mission is to seamlessly bridge academic knowledge and practical application, creating a dynamic learning environment for students, educators, and industry professionals alike. Evance is your gateway to revolutionizing how learning and collaboration unfold. At Evance, educators bring their courses alive, integrating real-world challenges directly into their curriculum. Industry partners contribute practical projects, offering students hands-on experience. This integration not only enhances learning, but nurtures a community of innovation. Here, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, impact, and real-world problem-solving. Imagine engaging in projects like designing sustainable urban transport or creating digital marketing strategies for emerging startups. Each project on Advance is a chance to innovate, learn, and make a difference. The essence of Advance is collaboration. Diverse minds converge, fostering unique solutions and insights. Students gain invaluable experience, educators enhance their teaching, and industry leaders discover fresh perspectives. Together, we're not just addressing challenges, we're creating the future. Join us at Advance and take a step towards transforming education and shaping a brighter tomorrow.